It became apparent today that some of you need a little scaffolding here because you haven't worked your way through all the Photoshop tutorials that lead you to opening up a JPEG in Illustrator. So let's do that right now. Down in stage 2, it says place this image. Now, how about instead of clicking on this and opening it in a new window, why don't you right-click and download the linked file as, so you can pick where it goes. And it's already named for you. So click on your Documents folder, and then if you don't have a Posters folder, click on New Folder and make a folder called Posters, because we're going to populate this folder this year. Once you've made that folder, it's highlighted, click on New Folder again, because this is a mess. And that's my fault, because I should have put that Julius Caesar stuff in its own folder, right? All right, so we got a fall concert folder, and now we can save this JPEG in there. And we can save our Illustrator file in there. We can save all our work for the fall concert poster in there. So let's jump over to Illustrator and open up a new document. Command-N, click this button, File, New. I mean, my goodness, how many different ways can you do it? But Command-N is the quickest and easiest way. And let's just pretend that for whatever reason, you're seeing exactly what we don't want to be seeing. And I want you to open up this advanced, and Illustrator's going to remember, leave this open all the time. Leave it open. It shouldn't say advanced. It should say open this. We don't know why we have it closed by default. And then change the print to web, so we switch to RGB and 72 because that's where we want to be, because we're just laying out the poster. We're not doing any raster effects. And then we change the width and height. But first of all, we have to change the units from pixels to inches. And then change the width. We'll click here. You can highlight everything. It'll pop back into 13. Hit Tab, 19, and you can hit Tab again, and this is how you want it. And we can name this new document something clever like Fall Concert, and then click OK. And we have a poster. Now, with this tab open, we can't do some of the things I want you to do. This, well, that hand does work, but I'm going to hit F to get full screen so I can see what I'm doing. I have a little room, top and bottom. We need that little room to do the next step, which is File, Place. And for those of you who are opening up a JPEG or copying and pasting a JPEG, and you wonder why you don't have any colors and everything is in grayscale, this is why. Place the image, and then go to your Documents, to your Posters, to, why isn't this alphabetical? There we go. Backwards. Okay. Posters. That's why. Into Fall Concert. And we'll place this one. You can click this or double click on that. And we now have this weird little icon. Don't just click. Come up to this corner. See how those little purple things? It says intersect. And come down to this bottom corner till it intersects. It's perfectly arranged. And then we click this embed button. Click. Lock this layer. Add a new layer. This is going to be our type layer. This is our background layer, and it's now locked. So it is ready to be worked on. Now we can hit Command S to save our file, and it's already named, and we're already in that Fall Concert folder. If for some reason you're not here, go to Documents, go to Posters, go to Fall Concert, and save your Illustrator file there. And yes, we click that, and now you're ready to begin working. But please, please, please remember to go check out the Work tab to look at other posters. There's a reason these are in here. Text is arranged in particular ways. Look, the title's really big. Everything else is small, insignificant. The title is big. You guys, the title is big. Do you see a theme here? So I wonder on the fall concert poster what the largest piece of information will be. What do you think? Hey, look.